Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video is all about the OnePlus 7 Pro. I've been using it for about 24 hours now, and I just want to give you my first impressions on it. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, I just want to follow up my unboxing video, give you my first impressions, or 24 hours later with the OnePlus 7 Pro. In this video, I'm going to discuss the things I like so far about the phone, and then some things I noticed that could actually be fixed. Hopefully updates could actually fix the problems that I have with the phone. But overall, the phone has been really good to me. But let's get into this video. I'm going to discuss the things I dislike really quick, and then I'm going to get into some of the things I really like about the phone. First thing I want to talk about is the in-display fingerprint scanner. It has been inconsistent for me. I can go a couple times where it will not unlock the phone, and then I can have like 10 or 20 times in a row that it actually unlocks it. So inconsistent is a problem for me. I don't know if you have the phone or you having any problems with the in-display fingerprint scanner, but let's see. Let's see if this actually makes a liar out of me. See, that was fast and it worked great. When it works, it's fast, but look, it's gonna make a liar out of me. This is embarrassing, but again, it's been inconsistent, but it's working good right now. But definitely, I know they can fix that with an update. Y'all let me know in the comments if you have the phone, if you have any problems with it. Also, leading into that, I was having problems with the fingerprint scanner, so I tried to set up the face unlock. Face unlock works great. The one problem is that every time you want to unlock your phone, yes, you have to pop up that camera. I don't trust it popping up every time that I have to unlock my phone. So I actually had the face unlock disabled right now because I don't trust the pop-up camera. I don't want to put the extra stress on it to have it keep on popping up every time I unlock the phone. I thought I really will enjoy the pop-up camera. For face unlock, I just don't trust it yet. It pops up and then it goes down. And then if I need to unlock it again, pops up. It's just nerve-wracking. I spent enough money on this phone. I don't trust it, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. It works great. It's fast. I just don't like the pop-up camera part of it. That's just my opinions. Again, everything in here is my opinions. You may have a different experience with the phone, but definitely let's have a discussion in the comments. The next thing I want to talk about are the cameras. I know a lot of people are going to say it's not a big deal. People don't use it for video. Bam, right here. I do not have Pro mode. They are pulling a Samsung for whatever reason. I do not have Pro mode. Now you have Pro mode for regular photos, but for video, they do not have it. I know that can be added for an update. Hopefully they will actually do that. OnePlus, I'm a creator. I like having control, especially when I'm making YouTube videos. So right now, no Pro mode. If you need Pro mode, you may not want to pick up this phone yet. The next thing I want to talk about is also in the video mode on the camera app. I do not have access when I'm shooting video to get to the wide angle lens. OnePlus, I know you can fix that with an update. Hopefully you're already working on it. Yes, you can get it to the telephoto lens, bam, but there's no feature right now where you can do the wide angle. Yes, I can switch this to 1080p. Nope. I can do 1080p 60. Nope. No wide angle options yet on video. Why give me the wide angle lens if I can't use it on video? A lot of people will actually use that. So OnePlus, if you watch this video, we are asking for it. Give it to us because we really do want it. I know a lot of different people will use the wide angle lens, especially when making video. I don't know why they don't have it straight off the bat, but hey, it's OnePlus. It is what it is. All right, so let's talk about the things I do like about the phone. The overall build on this phone is great. Look at that. Man, this phone feels great. Yes, it has curves display. Bam, you can see the curves there. It's not too bad. It's almost like my Galaxy S10 Plus. So the curves on here is great. Look at that display too. It gets bright. Look, I have it not even halfway up and the phone is bright. Everything looks great. Watching YouTube videos, Netflix, I don't have a problem with it. Look at the colors. It looks great. Outside, I did test that out today. Wasn't the brightest day outside, but I didn't have any problems looking at the screen outside. The 90 hertz refresh rate is great too. So overall, the experience with the phone, the build, the display looks really good. No problems there. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Next thing I want to talk about is battery life. I got between 19 to 20 hours off the charge, and it was about 5.5 to 6 hours of screen on time. That's actually pretty good for me. Hopefully the battery life can get better the more I use the phone, but I do have the display at 2K. It's at 90 hertz refresh rate. So I'm really using the phone, really pushing the battery. But so far, I've been pretty impressed with the battery life. Hopefully it gets better and not get worse for me over time like some other phones that I had in the past. Now also back to the cameras, I have to do more tests on it, but so far the cameras seem like they work out really good. Let's see if I have some pictures here that I can show y'all. Look, that does not look bad at all. I don't know how it's gonna come out on the camera right here. They actually look pretty good to me. Not bad. But I will definitely be doing more tests with the cameras. I will be definitely putting it against the Galaxy S10 Plus and also my LG G8 ThinQ. So stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely test out the cameras more. But so far, I don't have any problems with it. I know people online has been saying, hey, they're not the greatest cameras, but we'll definitely find that out. We'll definitely test it out on my channel. The next thing I want to talk about is the speakers on this phone. I think they sound really good. I don't know if they're as good as the Galaxy S10 Plus. You can check on the top right here, and also in the description, I will have the link to the video I did Galaxy S10 Plus versus the OnePlus 7 Pro, my speaker battle. I may actually do that with the LG G8 ThinQ. Y'all let me know in the comments if you want to see that battle. I will definitely put the G8 against the OnePlus 7 Pro to see if the 7 Pro is better than my G8 or not. But definitely the speakers on here, I don't have a problem with it. I'm glad we got into the discussion about the speakers. One thing else I don't like about it that OnePlus actually did with this phone, no headphone jack, but they did not put a dongle in here for you either, so you have to buy it separate. They pulled a Apple, I guess if you can say it, put the dongle in the box. You're already paying enough money with these phones. Give me a dongle or give me the headphone jack. Now I don't mind the headphone jack being gone, but at least give me a dongle. Now I do have wireless headphones too, so it's not that big of a deal, but some people don't want to buy wireless headphones or they don't have the money to, so add the dongle in there and it'll be a win. But hey, it is what it is. What y'all think about OnePlus cheaping out on the dongle situation? Y'all let me know in the comments. Next thing I want to touch on really quick is the overall speed of the phone. It's been great, no slowdowns, it runs smooth. T-Mobile Tuesday, by the way, for the win. Look at that, I keep on hitting it. Yes, I have some T-Mobile bloatware apps on here. There's 3 different apps. You can uninstall one of them and disable the other 2. That's what you get when you buy the T-Mobile variant. It is what it is. Not a deal breaker for me. I just wanted to point that out to people because I did get a question in my unboxing video about it. I always like talking about this in my impression videos, reviews. Using the phone as a phone every day. Speakerphone sounds great. Making phone calls, no problem. Everybody can hear me. I can hear them. It's been great as using it as a phone, texting, Facebooking, Instagramming, Twittering. I don't know if that's even words, but you know what I mean. Using it as an everyday phone has been really good to me. No problems. I love when I can use a phone, use a speakerphone, turn it up, and I have no problem hearing the other person, which makes it really easy, especially if I'm driving somewhere, because I don't have fancy cars with Bluetooth in it. Yeah, the minivan don't have Bluetooth stereo, so I can hook it up and play it through the radio. My van is not that fancy. So let's wrap up this video. My overall experience with the OnePlus 7 Pro for the last 24 hours has been really good. I'm really enjoying it. I love the screen. Look at this screen on this phone. Makes you happy. Definitely makes you happy. I love this screen. I love Oxygen OS. It's been really fun to learn too. It has some features on there, but it's pretty much stock Android too at the same time. They don't go overboard with features that you don't really use, but they give you some to keep you busy trying to learn the different parts of the phone. Stay tuned to the channel. I probably will do a tip and trick video. I have some cases coming up, hopefully some screen protectors too. Y'all let me know in the comments any other videos you want to see. I will do a gaming video also coming up really soon. Yes, you can play Fortnite on here and Asphalt 9, which is great. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.